Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to increase daily credits on Bingo Blitz. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So the key to increase the daily credits on Bingo Blitz is to just log into this app on a daily basis. Just by logging into this app, you will receive daily rewards and fortunes, from where you can collect bingo credits and coins completely for free. In addition to that, when you log in for the first time every day, you can also play the spinning game. You can spin the wheel and try your luck to get the Bingo Blitz credits. You can get more daily credits on Bingo Blitz by playing in-game events and challenges. So when you keep on playing more games, you will get more and more bingo credits. So that's it. That's how you can increase your daily credits on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.